Name of this pose is Virabhadrasana. Leg straight left means warrior pose, right leg forward, left leg straight. Put your feet at the length of your leg. Stretch your hands to your sides. Rotate your right foot 90 degrees and your left foot about 15 degrees to the right. Rotate your pelvis and torso as much to the right as you can. Bend your right knee trying to reach a 90-degree angle. Keep your left leg straight and firm, your heel is on the floor. Raise your hands. Look straight. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like the video.